Hello everyone, welcome to my Scratch channel, and today I will show you how to animate a character and make it move randomly or towards your mouse pointer. So let's get started. First, let's go to events, then drag over and green flag clip log, then go to motion, and then take glide 1 seconds to random position or mouse pointer block. First we'll set it to random position, then I'll press it and let's see where it goes. It glided for 1 seconds in here. You can change this time by making it 3 seconds. You must remember one thing, that if you increase the time it will go more slowly, and if you decrease the time it will go faster. Now let's see 0.3 seconds. Done. It's moving very fast, but for now let us set it to 1 second and then go to control, take a repeat log and join it with the when green flag click block, and then take this glide 1 seconds to random position block and put it here. Now let us click the green flag and see what happens. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, it moved for 10 times into 10 random positions, and you can also change the number of times. You can increase it to 12. Or you can decrease it to 5 or anything you want. You can also do one thing, you can change this random position to mouse pointer, then let's see what happens. See, it is following the mouse pointer. See, it followed the mouse pointer 5 times. Or you can put a forever block which will make this project go on forever until you stop the project by this button. Let's see. See, it is going on forever. Now when I click this block, it has stopped. Now thank you for watching my project.